Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the shop. Gonna get out of the shop today because my man Scooba, the red hatchback, yeah, that's the one, he's found another car that he really likes, so we're gonna take a little road trip and see if we can go pick it up. Let's hop in the Duramax and take a ride. What's up, brother?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good, good. So we left this morning, we took off, I picked up Scooba, we got some Bojangles, and we hit the road, and we're trying to get to this guy, Leo, and Leo has the Supercharged RSX that Scooba's looking to buy. However, we just got a text from Leo, and it looks like he's in some trouble. Here, he sent us this. Taking the car over to get the oil changed or shined or something for Scooba before he bought it, and he got pulled over by that state trooper you just saw in the blue Dodge, and he's getting the car impounded. So I don't think we're getting it today. We're on our way home, and we're just gonna wait for Leo and see if we can get it another time.
What's up?
Well, he said he's willing to meet me at the DMV.
Okay.
Just because the fact that I hate that happened, and then I'll just have to pay for the title. It'll be like just a clean title.
I mean, I definitely want the car. The Jackson Racing Supercharger's got, I mean, I really want it. As long as everything's legit on the car. Is the title going into your name?
Yeah. And then I'll have to go get it from there. Now, by the time you don't know if you're here, like I'll be probably done with everything.
All right, man. All right, we're gonna do it then, man.
What's right?
All right, so we're gonna turn around. So I'll hit you up. Where do you want me to go?
The same spot.
Same spot. Okay. All right.
That guy just called us back and said it looks like he's gonna have the title and everything ready on the car, even though it's impounded. We've got about a 3-hour ride to get there. He's gonna get the car at the impound, and I guess we're gonna try to get the title in. Let's see how this one goes. After the little debacle there, we made it to the meet spot. We're at the Bojangles in Asheboro. The guy's about 45 minutes from here, so we're gonna hang out and wait for him to get here and check out the car. Still chilling, having some Bojangles, counting the money, waiting for the car to get here. Just pulled up with the car, go check it out. I guess dude doesn't live far from here, so we just gotta follow him and, oh shit, I gotta keep up and check it out from over there. We made it over to my guy's house here. We're just gonna check out the car a little we're gonna check out the car a little more thoroughly. Let's see what Scooba thinks. If he really likes it, I think it's cool. It looked like it ran pretty good. Coming down the hill there wasn't a whole lot of smoke coming out of the back of it or anything, so that's good. Just a little bit of fuel. To be expected, I guess. But the car looks really nice, and we'll see if Scooba's happy, then he'll get a new car, and if he's not, then we're going home. Took a look at the RSX, and I don't know really what's going to happen. It sounded more like he's probably going to pass to take it, but they also have here, like every Honda guy, an addiction to More Hondas, so let's check out this other one. Leo, good to meet you, Leo. Well, it didn't work out this time. It's the way it goes sometimes, so I guess we're just gonna trek back home. It was about a 3.5 hour drive today to look at the car and see that it's pretty cool. Check out that Integra, and now we're heading back to Wilmington. Back at it again. Got Scooba dropped off at his place, and I'm back at the shop now chilling. It's kind of a bummer he didn't get the car, but sometimes that's the way it goes. It's better to just walk away from something if you're not 100% on it, and he just wanted it to be perfect for him. He'll find that perfect one. The car is really nice. We really appreciate Leo showing us the car, even after all the trouble he had to go through to get it and get it out of impound and then bring it back so we could see it. What a mess. Good on you, Leo. We really appreciate it. And thanks for letting us check out your Integra. From here, though, I'm sure that you guys are here for the giveaway. So somebody's going to get a free t-shirt today. I don't know who it is yet because I'm going to wait till the last second and I'll post the last clip with the winner. But for now, I'll just take you guys into the weigh-in from last week and you can see what the stuff actually weighed, and then we'll figure out who the winner is. Good luck. All right, guys, it's the carpet. The bucket should zero out. Zero. I'm going to stick the carpet in there and see what the carpet weighs in. It says 6.4 pounds. This is the carpet, the sound deadening. That's all the first one. Let's see if this weighs out. Yeah, can you get it on there? All right. Well, here's all the sound deadening that we pulled out from the floor pan of the whole car. Let's just see if we can get it in the bucket, and then we'll see what it weighs. Zero out. There we go. If we can stick it in there. 18.2 pounds of sound deadening material. 18.2 pounds of sound deadening material. Let's see what the tire weighs. The carpet, the sound deadening, the spare tire. Alright, that doesn't weigh anything. The tire on the bucket, let's see what it weighs in at. 33.6. This is the carpet, the sound deadening, the spare tire, the rear seat belts. The carpet, the sound deadening, the spare tire, the rear seat belts, and the miscellaneous stuff is basically those little bolts and the lock mechanism all came off that back panel. 2.2 pounds worth of miscellaneous. And we're weighing it on like a shit scale from Walmart, so it's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be whatever that scale says it is. All right, so coming from the editing room here, this is it. It's actually Thursday and the video comes out tomorrow, so I wanna get a winner up and see who it actually is. I know the actual answer, and by now you guys do too. Just wicked smart, you added it in your head, maybe you got your calculator out and you added it up. Either way, if you figured it out, you know the answer. I'll tell it to you in just a second. But we had a few really good guesses coming in. Let's see what we had here. We had Fred Boy at 65. Man, 65 was a pretty popular guess. Honestly, I thought the seatbelts would weigh more than they did, but they just didn't. They didn't really weigh in that much. 4.2, I think it was. That's really, really light. We had somebody guess 48 pounds. I don't know how you say this. Juju, maybe that's his name, Juju 2006 RF, I don't know what that is. Let's see, had a 35-pound guess, was a little light. Yvonne said 65 pounds, that's pretty good. Yvonne Edward. SD with 35 pounds. Not one at 47 pounds. Let's see, CRX Joe said 38. I was a little light, but I understand why people were going light, but that spare tire was really heavy. 33 pounds, 33.6, is that right? 33, over 33 pounds. Shift Life Garage at 97. We thought we would get 100 pounds out of it, even with everything that was already out of the car. So stripped down. 38 pounds from CRX Joe. There was guesses all over the place. 60 pounds, Jason. I thought that one was going to get it because it is Price is Right rules, so it's the closest without going over what it actually weighed. But what it came down to is what it actually weighed on that scale, and what that scale put out was, let's see the number, 64.6 pounds. That's what it actually weighed on the scale, 64.6 on our little crappy scale. So that's the winning number, and that would mean that just a day ago, Jesus Marchecho, yeah, maybe I'm saying that right. I'm not really sure. Jesus right there with the right answer. Hit me up on Instagram. It's probably the best way to get a hold of me, and I'll try to get you a message just the same. I don't know how you say this name, but dude, you're the winner. Just a day ago, I'm pretty sure that was the last or the first guess that was close enough without going over to get to 64.6. So congratulations to Jesus, man. Looks like you're the winner. Thanks you guys so much for playing. Had a really chill time on this one. Thanks for hanging out. Congratulations to Jesus. And you know what to do. Stay man. Man, I don't want to mess this name up. It's Jesus Marchuccio. Jesus Marchuccio. Marchicho. Dude, you're the winner.